Introduce short picture overview of dashcam front and rear with 32GB SD card, ERIDAX 1080p, FHD, dash camera for cars, 3-inch IPS screen 170-degree wide angle, zinc alloy front cover, WDR, G sensor, parking monitor, loop recording, motion detection. You enter R here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.